Hello, Miku. Say hi to all the YouTubers. Tell them you're a good baby bird and that you're in my flower garden. Hey, no flowers. No, Miku. Hello. Anyway, I want to show you guys what I made. This is Daisy, everyone. Meet Daisy, the flower pot kid. Look at how cute she is. I planted a daisy in there. Miku, bad bird. And there's her dress. That's one flower pot kid. That's Daisy. And this is Spike. He's a cool dude. And I've planted little spiky plants in there. And these are made from flower pots. And this is my garden, and there's my pond. And there's my baby bird, Miku.
Welfare.
Hey.
Welfare.
Miku. Did you knock over my ornament? Hey, baby Miku. Step up. Step up. Come on, Miku. Come on, step up. Step up. Good boy. You want to show everyone how you can fly? Miku, say hello. Hello. Say hello, Miku. You're not gonna be a good boy. Hey. Pretty baby. No. Miku, come on, baby. Hi. Say hello to all the YouTubers. They wanted to meet you. Where are you going? Oh, you're gonna go inside. Up the gate. There goes Miku. Let's go get him. Come on, step up. Show everybody how you fly. 1, 2, 3. Good boy. Say hello. Come on, Miku. Love how they cut the grass here. Come on back home, Miku. Are you enjoying the fresh air? Jeff? Yeah. Give me something so I can give him a treat to do his tricks. Step up. Come on. Come on, step up. Step up. Miku. Oh, you're gonna go up. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Good boy. Here, baby. Hello. Okay, thanks. Give me it back. Oh, you like that, eh? Good boy, Miku. Turn around. Come here. Come on, Miku. Turn around. Come on. Here. Come on. Turn around so we can do high five. Come on. High five. Come on. Turn around. Step up. There we go. Turn around. High five. High five. Good boy. It's all right. Kisses. Kisses. Thank you. Yummy. Good boy. He's a good baby bird. You like your cheese. He's a cheese freak. Thank you. Sorry about the video. He's just tasting his cheese. Miku, are you pretty, baby? Say hello, YouTubers. Say hello, YouTubers. Hey, give me that. Give me that. Oh, give me that. Give me that. Give me that. Miku, say hello. 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 Say hello. Oh, he's just a little flicky stump. Miku. Say hello. Hey, baby Miku. You're spitting it all out. Great mess. Good boy. He doesn't like cheese slice. Want this? Say hello. 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 What's wrong, Miku? Say hello. Hello. High five. High five. Come on. High five. High five, Miku. High five. Here. High five. Come on. Okay, he doesn't want to do it. He seems something's distracting him.